tornado warning.
Or 24 miles south of Seward, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected.
Here we go. It's on KF4X.
Okay. Yeah, it's on KF4X in there.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
56,000
It's on KF4X, Dad.
Windows will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Friend around 3:15 p.m. Dorchester around 3:25 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or
This is EAS Compilation number 10.
substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Saline, Nebraska.
Saline, Nebraska.
Dangerous storm outage April 28th to April 30th to impact lower weather radio transmitters. The National Weather Service Omaha office in Valley, Nebraska will be conducting a required scheduled update to their operating system from Monday, April 28th through Wednesday, April 30th.
Well, I just lost the last part of your transmission there just for a second, but I'd say for the most part, on average, you're 65, 70% into the repeater.
Saline, Nebraska.
Noise, but so bad.
You want bite?
Yes?
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
However, impacts will occur.
It's on Paw Patrol.
NOAA weather radio.
Tornado warning.
All NOAA weather radio transmitters.
Mom? Oh no, it's a source of capital T
Tornado.
warning. Mom, if you're of a tornado,
Okay,
here we go. It's on the TV. Wow. Tornado warning!
Shut up!
Yes! Now remember, if you're for tornado warning, you have to go to a
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Saline County and southeast Nebraska until 3:45 p.m.
3:45 p.m.
At 3:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles south of Friend, or 24 miles.
If you're of a tornado warning, you have to go to a
miles per hour.
Mom, if you're of a tornado warning, you need to go to a
Rotation.
you have to go
Low
to
level.
or a
Debris will be
Basement.
dangerous to those caught without shelter.
basement or an interior room.
Yes.
And This is headed northeast at 20 miles per hour. So it's in the path, it's headed towards Highway 6.
Or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Saline, Nebraska.
Saline, Nebraska.
That's enough.
Eee!
Severe thunderstorm.
Oh, this is EAS Compilation number 10.
The service chat here and see if they have said anything. Funnel cloud around 3:01. So we did just get a report of a funnel cloud around 3 o'clock this afternoon from that
EAS
storm.
Compilation
So that
number
is part of the reason that there was a tornado
10?
warning
Yes.
associated with
Okay.
it. So
Okay,
nothing
go.
on the ground as of yet.
All right.
But if you do live in this path,
Okay,
you know what,
in
let's
that,
just do that
and
real
you
quick.
got some
Stop
Robin
waiting
noodles.
for-
Get
now
back
we're
to your
gonna eat.
programming.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay,
We
go.
have that storm right there.
That's it.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service.
Yep, it pops up.
We're in central Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, north central Sarpy County, southeast
See, yep, it pops up.
Douglas County until 4:45
Potawatomi, Iowa.
at 4:07 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over southern Omaha, moving north at 25 miles per hour.
And also, that will put 95.1 KR FM.
This is
That will do it.
warning.
Do it over there.
Which
Which one is it? 91?
95.1.
For Potawatomi, Sarpy, Washington, and Douglas until 4:45. Quarter-size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. And for those people that
Now wait for when the weather rails go off, when the tones go off, then we'll do the TV. Next will be the next video.
Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 443 and 452. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Douglas, Sarpy, and Washington, and Potawatomi, Iowa.
And Potawatomi, Iowa.
Scheduled outage April 28th through April.
Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska.
That's for my county.
County in southeastern Nebraska, northern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Worcester.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. For our area.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dorchester around 4:40 p.m. Green around 4:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Lancaster, Saline, and Seward.
Saline and Seward.
The severe thunderstorm
Here we go!
assistance from National Weather Service Omaha personnel to minimize any potential interruption to services. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a
While we're getting down to your unaware, TV is going to happen for
Here we go! It's a 95.1, Dad! Here we go! It's on the television. SVR, severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Seward County and southeastern Nebraska, northern Saline County
Let's turn on the light.
and Nebraska until 5:15 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Dorchester, 24 miles south of Seward, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated
Wait for the EAS pops up.
impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm
Still there.
near Dorchester around 4:40 p.m.
Okay, and let's get some more.
Sorry that the sirens are on here.
Okay.
Yeah, you probably won't. This is radar indicated.
Done?
And
Yep.
you found
Okay,
the clouds
so
have
your
that
battery.
for me.
One till the
there
battery
you go,
gonna
Mom. That's
die
fine.
or
Appreciate
gonna
you
switch
being here. Just
switch
didn't know what
cameras.
you were- Didn't know what you were
That's
asking.
it.
That's it.